Hey, what up, guys? So there's a big storm coming this way. Um, Here in Tokyo, um, it's getting heavier and heavier. The rain is getting more dense. Actually, there's a flood warning, uh, category number 5, supposedly, here in Tokyo, Japan. So hopefully, it doesn't go bad. So the typhoon was estimated to come today by midnight, but I hear the train nearby, so I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see the train right there, right? It's going by, but supposedly when the train stops, it means that okay, everything's stopping, like everything stops. So keep you posted, guys. I'll update later on. So anyone out there, be careful. Um, Anyone coming to visit Japan and you know going for a trip or whatever, just be careful because it's gonna be bad. Um, Typhoons are not like hurricanes, but they're still they're still scary. So you still gotta have measurements and precautions. So yeah, just be careful with the winds and lightnings and all that. So be aware. I mean, it's not a whatever storm; it's a typhoon. So be careful. Keep you posted in several hours. Take care.